Alright guys, so how to update your BIOS on an MSI laptop. So this is my laptop right now, and so you're gonna come to this MSI website and go to this search icon, magnifying glass, then type your version and hit enter. And mine is RTX 30 series, so it's this one. You're gonna click download, select your model, and over here you can see BIOS settings, and you're gonna go to run and type DXDIAG, hit OK, and it will tell you your current BIOS version. So mine is E16.105, which is this one. So you're gonna download this one. So mine is downloaded. So this is the one I downloaded. Then enter your USB drive, right click, click format, start formatting, hit yes, okay. So the format is completed. Go to downloads again. Which one I download? This is the one I download, right? You're gonna extract all, click browse, select your drive, select folder, extract, and that thing on your flash drive right now. So now you need to restart your computer and go to BIOS. So I'm gonna use my phone camera. I turn on my laptop, which is right here. Hit the delete key, just hold it, So I hold the delete key, and right now I'm in this BIOS center. Now from here, we're gonna go to advanced, come to this UEFI BIOS update, click this one, USB, this one, yes, hit OK, and we're gonna wait. I'm gonna go to process with flash update. You're gonna wait for this progress bar to finish, and on this tab, if it said like ROM invalid or not updated or something like that, then you got the wrong version. You have to get the right version.
Now connected to MSI.
So right now your BIOS is successfully updated.